Hello everyone, I'm so happy to talk about so wonderful places, wet places in Kenya, which is مرجة الفوارات, Lake Fwarat. This lake is regarded as one of the most beautiful ecological places in this area. This lake is also regarded as a source of clean water. This source provides a great deal of citizens by the clean water. Lake Fwarat is also regarded by the diversity of plants and birds. This area, unfortunately, suffers from a lot of problems, among which pollution. That's why we need to cooperate to save it from these hard problems. Thank you.